in blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog! So yun guys, kumusta na guys? Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag voice over. Medyo na busy ako guys kasi nag-aral ako ng caregiver dito sa Doctor Care Training Center. Sa mga gustong mag-aral dito guys, mas okay kung kaya ng schedule nyo guys. Try nyo guys mag-aral kasi maganda rin siya para magkaroon din kayo ng panibagong opportunity dito sa abroad guys. Ito guys yung Doctor Care Training Center. So andito na kami guys. Andito na ako guys sa venue. Kararating ko lang. Ayan. Ito yung venue nila dito sa Royal Taj Hall dito sa Al Suwaidi, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So yan guys, ito na yung venue. Ito na yung stage nila. So, ayan. Padadating ko lang guys. So, hindi pa naman siya mag-start. Mamaya pa. Magpapa-makeup muna ako guys. Akit ako doon sa taas. Kasi doon yung andun yung dressing room nila dito. Or pwedeng mag-makeup. Dito sa taas guys. Akit tayo guys. Dito yung makeup room nila. Doon na yung mga kaklase ko na iba. Na magpapa-makeup din. So, ayun guys. Ang ganda ng lugar. Simple lang siya guys kumpara na sa mga napupuntahan kong wedding kasi pang wedding talaga yun yung mga ina-attendan ko din na wedding. So ito yung makeup room guys. Ayan, nag-makeup na yung mga ibang klase ko at nakapag-makeup na rin ako guys. So konting ano na lang guys, magi-start na kami. So ayan guys, ready na kami. So magi-start na kami guys. Enjoy guys!
Video pala yan. Catherine, hindi pa rin ayos. Video naman to, ito.
Hands that heal, hearts that care, says it all. You have not only learned the skills to care for others,
graduates, families, friends, faculty, honored guests, and to our General Manager, Mr. Fadi Al-Sowi, the person, the brain behind the success of Doctor Care Training Center. Today, we gather not only to celebrate achievement, but to honor something deeper, something rooted in compassion, resilience, and service. Our team, Hands That Heal, Hearts That Care, could not be more fitting for this moment, or more reflective.
first of all, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Today marks more than just end of your training. It's the beginning of novel journey. You're about to step in a profession that changes life, just like how nursing changed me. Alam niyo, being a nurse, I've seen firsthand how powerful genuine care is. Yung simpleng hawak ng pasyente, pag-aabot ng baso ng tubig, pagpunas ng pawis, akala natin maliit na bagay lang yun. Your compassion will become good someone's strength. Your presence will become someone's peace. And your patience will speak louder than voice. Caregiving is not just a job, it's a calling. You said yes to this path, and for that, saludo ako sa inyong lahat. Kasi hindi biro ang mag-aruga, hindi lang ito physical na trabaho, emotional din, pati spiritual. At sa araw na napapagod kayo, kasi oo, mapapagod talaga kayo, always go back into your why. Bakit mo ito pinilit? Sino ang gusto mong matulungan? At paano at para kanino itong ginagawa mo? At kapag naalala mo lahat ng yon, babangon ka at lalaban ka ulit. You are now part of the most compassionate group of professionals.
For our next row, please be ready. For our next row, please stand up. Jonathan Navarro Mundares. Joyce Alquiros Magtuto. Jerry Malaran Polimar. Hasan. Lenlen Fernandez Ecleo. Len Teruel Fronduzo. Lucila Cortero Bulalin. Lucy Wambui Wanjiro.
Asil!
Mayan Velerete Aparicio.
Picture, picture!
Of 89.11%. Please come up the stage. Jairlene Malaran Olinar.
Absent!
Class with an average of 84.22%. Eric Evoy Sibula. Thank you so much, Sir Ma'am.